Good morning, children, and welcome back to our online class of computer studies. Children, we were in chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Word Processor and Introductions. Children, I have already told you what exactly is a word processor. Word processor is an application software, is an applications interface in which user, means we people, we type the text, we decorate the text, we edit the text. Okay, so this all things, text processing work is done in word processor, isn't it? In short, we can say if you want to write a story, write a letter, write a poem, use word processor. There are so many word processor application available, but the best, user friendly, easy to understand, that is Microsoft Word, which we prefer. We have learned various tools, isn't it? Like how to create a new document, how to add a text, how to insert a new line, how to select the text, delete the text, move the text, copy the text, save a document, and even how to open an existing document. Up to this much we have already gone through. Even I have shown you practically also how to do this task. Document means a page in Microsoft Word. A page in Microsoft Word which contain an object. Here I am referring object as text, numbers, images, or any formatting tools you are using on. So now children, today we are going to learn about printing a document. So see here. Printing a document. So children, first let me tell you what is printing. Printing a document means, like suppose you have written a letter or written a stories in Microsoft Word. You have completed everything, you have saved that. Now suppose you need that as a hard copy. Now here hard copy means the story or the poem what you wrote in computer, what is displayed in monitor, that you want in a piece of paper. Okay, so when you want that particular text in a piece of paper, you need a printer to be connected. Printer is a hardware device. The printer should be connected to computer. If printer is connected to computer, you can give a print command. The print option which is available in a file tab. Okay, which is available in a home tab file menu. Or even the shortcut we can use, that is Ctrl plus P for print. The shortcut we use is Ctrl plus P. This is for print. And even the print option is available in a home tab or file menu. We can click that. So once you click on the print options, a print dialog box appears. Print dialog box asks you that how many number of pages you want to print. You have to type the number of pages. Okay, what you want to print, it will ask that also. How many pages you want, how many copies you want, that options are available. You need to give that informations. And once you click on the print option, you'll find your document is printed out. And the text, images, or any formatting tool what you have used here, the effect what you can see in monitor, the same thing you'll find in a piece of paper. So children, practically which step we do, or which are the steps we do so that our documents gets as a print out. I'll be showing you this one. So children, see properly. See this.
So now you can see how to print a document. So for printing a document we have to follow certain steps. Okay, so say suppose I need to write something first. Say I wrote computer. Now to take a printout of this one, what we have to do is you can click on the file tab, or there's an office button. Okay, this office button, if you click on this office button, you get see print options over here. Then inside the print option you get the three options, that is print, quick print and print preview. So let me click on the print preview. So print preview give us the view that how our text will look like when it will be printed on a piece of paper. So if everything is perfect, we can click on the print options. So when you click on the print option, the first part is the name of the printer. Here you can just click and you can select the printer name, which printer is connected to your computer. But remember one thing, without the printer connection you cannot take a print out. For taking a print out, the printer is required, that is must. So first of all, the name of the printer you need to select. Then page range. Suppose in your document there are 5 or 10 pages, then you can click on all, then all pages will be printed out. Current page means the page which is displayed in a print preview or where your cursor exists, that single page. Pages, this is a range you can give. Say suppose you have 10 pages in your document, but you want to print from page number 2 to page number 7, you can give the range. So this is page range. Then copies. Now single page, how many copies you want? Maybe this page which I have written as computer, you need 10 pages, you can simply write here 10. Okay, that is number of copies. So basically these three options are important while taking a print out. First, name of the printer, second, page range, and third, copies, number of copies. So once you insert a proper value, proper name for these options, you can click on the OK button. If printer is connected, it will give a printout, and you can see the printer symbol will come here in a down, and see one document pending for user message also appears, because in my practical session I don't have a printer, so I'm not showing you that. But if suppose printer is connected, this particular page with text as computer will be displayed in a piece of paper and the printout will be coming out. So children, this is the way how to take a print or printing a document.
So now you understood how we take out a printout, how the printing part is done in computer Microsoft Word, how the text documents are printed out in a piece of paper. So this part we have understood. Now let us move to the next topic, that is closing a document. Closing a document. Now closing a document means, suppose your work is over, you need to close that, isn't it? You need to close your document, not Microsoft Word. Simply that particular page you need to close that. Okay, so to close that, you can click on the file tab and you can click the close options. Inside the file tab you get a close options, you can click that. So once you click on the file tab, then close button, okay, you'll find your document has been closed, but Microsoft Word will not exit, only document gets closed. And in order to exit Microsoft Word, that means exiting Microsoft Word. Now after closing a document, suppose you need to exit, you need to get out from Microsoft Word, you need to get out from word processor. In that case, what you have to do is you can click the close option from the title bar, you get close option like this, cross button, or else you can click on the file tab. Inside the file tab you get exit options. So there are two ways you can use title bar and cross button. Okay, cross is for close, exit the Microsoft Word. Another is file tab. file tab means the tab you get at the corner, left corner you get. Okay, so when you click on the file tab, you get their exit options. So you can close the Microsoft Word, you can exit out, you can come out from Microsoft Word. So children, this is all about this chapter. So in this chapter, what you have learned is word processor, what are the uses of word processor, what are the various tools we use so that it operates and makes our text document looks attractive towards user. So for that we need to know how to create, how to open, how to save, how to close, how to print. So all these things whatever I said, even I have did this one practically also, and I have shown you. So these things are very important, because in order to type anything in computer you should know these basic things. Okay children, now I'm going to show you practically how we close a document, how we exit Microsoft Word document. So see this one.
Closing a document. When you use Microsoft Word, you have the options to open many documents. Many documents you can open. However, after finishing the work, you need to close the opened document. Like suppose this page, the work is over. I need to close the document. So for closing the document, what we have to do is Office button. See at the bottom of this page, this dialog box, you get close options. If you close, see, it will ask you, do you want to save the changes to document? Means whatever changes you did, do you need to save, yes or no? So if you do yes, it will ask for the options and it is saved. Now see, Microsoft Word is not closed, only the document has been closed. You can open also from here. Okay, the document name should be proper. So locations from recent document, let us open. See, suppose this is a page. Okay, this page has been opened. Now we can close this one. Any page, any number of pages, if you open, say this one, we can close also. Okay, so closing a document means, like when you use Microsoft Word, you have the options to open many documents in the computer. You can open as many documents as you want, but after finishing the work you need to close the open document. So for closing, we need to click on the Office button, this one at the top. Okay, or else File tab is also available. So from there you get the option known as close. Okay, if you close, the Word document will be closed. Okay, now say exiting Microsoft Word. Now this is only a document we have closed, but suppose you need to exit from this word processor. So after you complete your all work, you need to close the Microsoft Word applications. To close exit or exit Microsoft Word, we have two options. Here you can see this cross button. Okay, we can click this one. That is the first options. Microsoft Word will be exited. Or another, we can click on the Office button. See here at the corner at the down, we get exit Word options. So there are two ways. First way is we can close through Office button, exit, and second way we can click on the cross button, which is available in title bar. So these are the various ways by which we can exit the Microsoft Word. Children, this is all about word processor, some shortcuts, key you need to remember, like Ctrl plus N to create a new document. Okay, see new document. Ctrl plus C is for copy, which already we discussed. Ctrl plus V for paste. Ctrl plus X for cut. Ctrl plus S, this is for save. You get a save dialog box. Okay, Ctrl plus S. Then Ctrl plus W is for closing a document. See, closing a document. Ctrl plus O to open a document. See, open dialog box appears. Ctrl plus P is for print options. See, print options available. So these are some shortcuts which you need to remember.